crap, it's toning!
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for tidal Potomac from Indian Head to Cobb Island, Maryland, until 8:45 p.m. At 7:20 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located near Quantico, moving southeast at 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Maryland Point, Nantucket Creek, Mathis Point, United States.
3019 Memorial Bridge.
Westmoreland State Park and Cobb Island. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.